So I have started this live video and I see a lot of people are busy. I guess it's Sunday. Slowly people will start joining in, and I am today going to talk about a lot of things which I have decided. I've come after a very long time live, and I'm going to wait a few minutes because I want everybody to hear what I'm saying and slowly feel that how people are joining, see how people are joining. I really don't get time these days to do live videos because it's such a hectic schedule that I don't even get time for my WhatsApp courses. But I'm slowly trying to manage everything. Well, I see slowly people are joining, watching. Let me continue what I want to say. I love my White Lighteens. They all have liked my page and they follow me on YouTube, and I just love that because there are such wonderful people out there who are actually encouraging me to make more videos and give out more information. So I really like that, and thank you so much for appreciating my work. This is the first thing I want to tell everyone. And also I'm today live for a reason. Hi, I can't read your name, but hi. I'm here for a reason that today I wanted to give out give out some information. Hi Sparsh, right? Sparsh Kumar, right? I have specs, so I can barely see. So sorry for my throat. I have a little cough and cold. It's been really bad. In Mumbai it's been really bad because of the weather. So what I was saying is I have come live today to thank all my White Lightians who have liked my page and my YouTube channel. I'm really thankful that they have encouraged me to give out more information, and also I have this video today so that I can give out more information about a few crystals so that you all can use them and benefit from it. And also I want to talk about trust issues today. That is a topic of today, and as I've come after a very long time, I'm really excited to see who all are joining slowly. And thank you so much. Who's this? Muzamil. Thank you so much. So yeah, and also I want to mention that anybody who wants my personal appointment, you will have to please take a proper appointment which is paid, because many people think that I do free work, but that is when I feel like gifting people, I do it. And that is why I have created these pick a card reading, because pick a card reading is very easy and it's very accurate. You can just get your answers. People who cannot actually come to me directly, they can benefit from this pick a card reading. And I'm going to be making more of those videos on more on money issues and maybe more on soulmate or relationship issues. I'm going to make them, right, so that you all benefit from it. And that will be coming very soon, this coming week. Yeah, 2 more videos on pick a card reading, and more to come. Lots of videos, because I make these videos so that people benefit. When I started my journey in spirituality, and I don't want to take anybody's name, but I was put on a spot every time saying, oh, you can't do it, it's only for special people. I feel anybody can do it, and you can use these things in your life very easily, because all the remedies I give are very workable, are very you can actually use it, unless your issues are very deep rooted, or maybe there's a deeper issue which has to be solved from the core problem. Then it's a problem, but otherwise all the remedies I give are very useful. Let me start about talking about a crystal. Hi Rita, hi. So let me talk about crystal. The most important crystal I want to talk about is tiger eye. So I wear tiger eye every time. I'm sure you all must have seen me in my videos and all my live videos. I never remove this bracelet from my hand. That is a reason. Because tiger eye gives you a lot of protection. I think tiger eye protects me from evil eye. Tiger eye protects me from, I'm a healer, so I don't absorb other people's energy. Right? So tiger eye gives me a lot of things. And also tiger eye is very, very good for perception. Suppose you are, let me give you an example. Suppose you are on a path in life. You're doing your work, you're doing your business, you're doing your whatever, even in a relationship, I would say. Right? If you feel it is not moving forward, if you feel everything is stuck in your life, tiger eye is the crystal you use at that time. Either you wear it as a bracelet, or you just take a piece of tiger eye, which I have a very small one, okay, and you can keep it under your pillow, hold it in your hand, and just feel it. Feel the energy. Take a very, very deep breath, and just close your eyes and just tell yourself that I allow myself to see the new perspective that I'm not able to see. This will change your perspective in the area you want it to change. Because sometimes we are not looking at things in a certain way. That is why they are not moving. Be it your relationship, be it your work. Even at work, maybe you're going on with the same old work, and it's not moving forward, and you'll wonder कि अरे इतने दिन पहले तो चलता था ये काम, अभी क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? Because हमको कुछ चेंज करने की उस वक्त ज़रूरत है. हमको अपना परसेप्शन भी चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है, हमको वो तरीका भी बदलने की ज़रूरत है. तो वो टाइगर आई आपको वो तरीका और वो परसेप्शन देगा. Right? You need to hold it in your hand and just take a deep breath and allow your brain, allow your mind to take that direction in life which will take you towards success. You have to allow yourself to change that perception which is actually blocking you from taking a step forward. So tiger eye has two qualities. One, it will give you protection. Second, it will give you the perception you need for the change in your life, for the bigger change in your life, for that step forward. Either it could be a relationship, it could be a business, work, anything. So this was tiger eye. So now, second crystal I would talk about is smoky quartz. Smoky quartz, I feel, is not much talked about. People go around talking about many other crystals, but I feel smoky quartz is one of the very beautiful crystals. It's very good for grounding. It connects you to Mother Earth. It will just take you, for example, I'll tell you. You have to, when you want to move forward in life, this is a smoky quartz, which I keep whenever I do my readings. I have it just here on my table. And smoky quartz is one crystal which will actually take you, see, this is the clear one, right? So smoky it connects you to the earth. It gives you grounding. Now grounding could be your own grounding, right? And the grounding of your work also. Smoky will actually release all your anxiety, all your fear that is blocking you from moving forward. Right? Smoky is one crystal which will actually clear your mind, because smoky doesn't see, it is a gray crystal, right? It has a gray shade, and it is also mixed, it has a part of clear quartz in it. So whenever you use smoky quartz, you get a lot of clarity also, clarity of mind. So the best way to use smoky quartz is hold it in your hand, sit like this, and you can sit and meditate. Meditate for 5 minutes so that it takes away all your anxiety, fear towards success, towards money, or towards anything that you want to happen, right? So you have to hold it and say, I allow myself. I allow myself to release all my fears, and I allow myself to receive. So smoky quartz will remove that block which is actually blocking your receiving. These are two very beautiful crystals I always wanted to talk about because I use it myself. I will never even a day go without my tiger eye, because tiger eye really makes me go forward and gives me protection, and smoky gives me clarity, releases all my fears, and then I can walk very smoothly forward. Very smoothly. Who's this? Sometimes tiger eye has issues with people who have blood pressure issues. I feel, who's this? Sarita Jagwani. Well, I feel it's all intentions, because I've been wearing tiger eye since a very long time, and that's not true. That's not true. Have you ever tried, Sarita, right? Have you tried, and did you have any blood pressure issues? You can answer that on this video. Too much information is also bad sometimes. So these are the two very beautiful crystals I want to talk about. Another one I want to talk about is my selenite, my most favorite. This is my heart selenite. See, it's so beautiful. I really love it. So selenite I also wear. I wear selenite. Selenite is a very good crystal to clear your energy field. Anytime you feel that there is an evil eye, or you feel your aura is not clear, you feel that you've attracted, or you've been somewhere where you have attracted a lot of negative energy, you can just take a selenite wand and just take it around your body like an outline, so that it just releases all the negative energies. Also selenite, it's very good for space cleaning. What you do is take a very nice bigger piece of selenite and keep it in a room where you want that room's energy to be cleared, and you will see a lot of changes, a lot of lift in the energy. Selenite is very good to clear your own energy field. I said you can even put it under a pillow, your pillow, in the night and sleep. It will clear off all the negativity from you. Also selenite, one small tumble can be put in the bath. Keep it in the water for like 5 minutes and then have a bath with that water. You can remove it out, then next day use it again. It's reusable. So every day take the same tumble, put it in the water and take a bath with it. It will clear out all your negativity, all the blocked energies, blocked chakras, everything. So these are the beautiful 3 crystals I wanted to talk about. I am saying bye now, for now, and very soon I'll be coming back with more information, and see you all. Bye. God bless. Lots and lots of love, and lots of blessings, and lots of good wishes to everybody out there. Everyone. People who are watching and people who are not watching. Okay? That's all. Bye.